So I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, I recently got a replacement iPhone, or a new iPhone, the iPhone 8 Plus, and it comes with that contactless charging. So I've picked up one of these Anker wireless chargers. So let's check it out. Yeah, so recently I got a new phone. My iPhone 6 Plus was just running really crappy, so I got myself one of these, the iPhone 8 Plus. Just a complete sub note, I did do a video, but I wasn't happy with it and the moment was gone. But I did like an unboxing, and I bought a 3M privacy screen. So I don't know if you can see here on the phone. So obviously direct on you can see the screen, but as you kind of turn it, you can't see anything. So it's good and handy. But I bought one of the 3M ones. It's around £20–25 from the Apple store, and it really didn't go on very well. It's just a complete screw up. And I found what's actually on here now is a JE Tech privacy screen that's sold on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It was £6 or £7, and it's amazing. It's like night and day difference in terms of how easy it is to apply to the phone. So I definitely recommend one of those. There's no bubbles or any of that crap going on, so definitely recommend that. So the phone aside, well, I guess related to the phone, one of the features of it is wireless charging. Now, one of the things that happened with my old iPhone was had a bit of fluff and crap that gathered over time in the charging port, so it was very temperamental with its charging. And so the fact that you have the wireless charging technology, I thought I'd be interested in checking that out. So I love Anker products, as you guys know if you watch the channel anyway, and I picked up one of these Power Port Wireless 5 pads. Now I should note, this isn't the version that has the super fast rapid charging. So that they do another one that has like these little blue LEDs and stuff that go around the side. This isn't that. This is the, I guess, the more basic version. The reason I went for this is purely because the one up from this, I guess, that has the rapid charging does not support the rapid charging of the iPhone. It works on Samsung devices and some others, but doesn't work on the iPhone. So I didn't see the point in having that. And I'm also thinking about having this next to my bed, so I didn't want any of the blue lights that come on or change any color based on what's happening. So that's why I went for this one. Anker are releasing an upgraded version of this, which does have the super fast charging. I think it's available in the US now, but not over here in the UK. But I'm not a heavy phone user, so it doesn't tend to drain the battery too much. So I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing, show you guys how it works, and then if you're thinking of picking one up, obviously then you can do so. I also picked up micro USB cable that's braided, hopefully, and a charging plug, because this doesn't come with that. So it does come with a cable, but I think it's pretty short. So the packaging, as usual with Anker, is pretty good. Okay, what's in there? Little like warranty guide or something. Put that away. Oh, bit of information on the charging pad. Basically, where to, how to plug it in. Obviously, a little indication that says it's working. I think you need that. And this is it. Look how small this little thing is. It's like a little mini flattened hockey puck, or the size of a mini Scottish pancake. So there's really not a lot to it. So pretty discreet. Little micro USB charging port on the back there. But yeah, as you can see, it's really kind of flat. And in the box is just a basic shortish micro USB cable. So let's just check that out. So what's that? Meter? Something like that? Meter long? No, less than a meter. Don't know. It's that long. I'd say about 60 centimeters, 60, 80 centimeters maybe. So basically we should just plug this in here, and then I guess I'll plug it into this little power bank that I've got. 1 amp out, turn that on. I'm assuming that'll be enough power to get this to work. And it's charging. So as soon as it starts to charge, a little blue light comes on the pad itself, and away it goes. So really, basically, I'm just impressed with how well that works so quickly. So what kind of, if I put it on an awkward angle, does that make any difference? Yeah, so if it's towards the bottom, that doesn't work. Towards the top, it doesn't work. Yeah, you really want it on the centre, so that's something to keep in mind. And okay, you've all seen these Brady cables before, so I won't bother with that. But in here is one of their 24 watt 2-port USB hubs, and I got that really to cover future upgrades. So if I end up getting another one of these, then I know that it will kind of power a faster charging one if that's a constraint of the plug. So here we go. Again, what I like about the Anker products is they look pretty smart and they're pretty discreet as well. It's in like a piano black finish, so definitely going to attract the fingerprints, but real basic. I don't think there's any LEDs on there. I'll plug that in and we'll just do a quick video overlay, see if there's any LEDs that light up, but I think it's just really basic, and because it's got the IQ charging, it means that it supports that more rapid charging rates, etc. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. There'll be links in the description. Wireless technology, it's the future, isn't it? I really love the fact that we're getting away from cables, because I don't know about you, that's a bane of my life if you're trying to have neat cables everywhere, especially in a bedroom on a desk side table. If you've got the alarm clock and a lamp and all that crap on there, the last thing you want is more cables strewn everywhere. And also I think the advantage, especially if you're doing charging at night, if an alert comes up on your phone, obviously you need to check your phone quickly. One thing that I'm sure happened to most of us is that you yank the cable all over the place, and so that doesn't do the charging slot much good either. So that's it. It's the Anker wireless charger. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.